Hey Saif, Saif recently cleared a PMP and congratulations Saif for this wonderful achievement.
Thank you.
And Saif comes with an amazing profile. He's a service delivery leader, right, and in a healthcare segment. He works for United Health Group and he's so happy that he achieved the certificate. How many days back? Just 3 days back. 2
3 days
days
back.
back. Okay, still you should be in that hangover. Huh? Okay, once again, congratulations. So, which city you are, Sai?
I am located in Hyderabad for the past 10 years now, but I am actually from Kolkata.
Oh, okay. So, what specialty you like here in Hyderabad? Being years.
People say that the biryani is very nice. I also agree to it. But but being a typical bong, for me the Bengali biryani is better.
That's true. And home is home. Nobody can touch it. That's true. That's true. But at the same time, are you visiting hometown regularly, or you're done with this state where you are, Hyderabad?
I went to visit my parents in the month of July last,
Ah,
so
ah.
I am again planning to visit in February. Let's see.
Okay, okay, okay.
The COVID has posed a lot of, and I have a 2-year-old daughter, so
Oh,
traveling with her, it's not very advisable also.
advisable. That's true. That's true. But I think the traffic should have been reduced heavily in Hyderabad now due to this work from home culture.
Sriram, you think so? Please come and visit Hyderabad. I will take you out for a drive at around 12:30 in the night. You will understand whether the traffic has reduced or not.
God, man, you guys not changed. Huh? Hyderabad is always busy city. Okay, beautiful city. Hyderabad, I've been there. Nice place. Nice place to roam around for 3, 4 days. Beyond that, I don't know. I've not been further there. Okay, good. Coming back. So that's his PMP journey. Let me listen from him. Before that, I want to give congratulations from Sri Learning and team because it takes a lot of commitment to come over and sit in the class, listen, take the inputs. At certain age, you feel that why should I listen to somebody? Why can't I do it on my own? Come on, guys. So I'm married. I have my own house. I know what to do. So beyond that, somebody has to come and sit and listen means it needs some kind of commitment. So Saif showed that. So congratulations, Saif. So talk something about your success path.
Well, Sriram, you know what? There are 3 to 4 things that I want to share with you, and I am telling you, Sriram. I did exactly what you had told me to do, and that led to my success. I'm being brutally honest here. Okay, see, the first thing that you had told us when we started off with the batch was that until and unless you book an exam date for yourself, you will not put in that effort. That is exactly what happened with me. You know, before putting in the exam date, I was just casually studying, right? When I was getting time, I was looking through the books, etc., etc. But on 2nd of November, I still remember the date. On 2nd of November, I made the payment for PMP, right? Because then that is when it dawned on me that if I don't take the exam in December, I will have to go through the entire training process again in the month of January
Hmm.
because PMP is changing its syllabus. So
Right.
on 2nd of November, I went and made my payment. So from 2nd of November, I had time till the 20th of January because
Hmm.
20th of December because
Hmm.
21st December was my examination date.
Hmm.
So I had made a routine for myself from 9th of November for the next 10 to 12 days. Every day I studied one process group.
Hmm.
Sorry, yeah, one knowledge area, not process group, one knowledge area.
Hmm. Hmm.
So but Sriram, there I did not do what you had done, which was very helpful. I started with integration, then moved to scope, then moved to schedule. So I went by the
Good call.
PMBOK PMBOK chapter wise. I
Very.
So every day I studied one knowledge area, and my aim was that since 21st December was my exam date, exactly 1 week ahead of that, I will stop studying. And for the last 1 week, I will only give tests.
Hmm.
Right.
Hmm.
That is exactly what I did.
Hmm. Hmm.
Exactly 1 week before 21st of December, stopped. No, I'm sorry. I got delayed by a day. I wanted to stop it by Sunday. I had my stakeholders spilled over to Monday.
Okay.
Okay. But then from Monday, I gave uh, Prepcast 5, Prepcast 6, and Prepcast 7. Those are the
Mm,
three tests that I gave.
mm,
Along with that, I gave that PMI sample paper. I
mm,
remember you telling me over WhatsApp that please try and attempt the PMI sample paper. That is
mm,
also very good.
yeah,
So
yeah.
these are the four main exams that I gave.
Mm,
But trust me, Shriram, when I tell you this, the OneDrive that Sri Learning has, which you and Rahul gave us access to, it has a plethora of questions. And
mm,
you can go and search it and you will get all types of questions, be it numerical questions, be it situational questions, be it straightforward questions. So before attempting 6 and 7 I attempted on Thursday and Friday.
mm.
So Saturday, Sunday, I did not do anything. Saturday, Sunday, I washed my car, I washed my clothes, I went for a drive. I
Okay.
I will be very honest with you, Sriram. Saturday, Sunday, I did not study.
You relax yourself.
I relaxed. I just I had made some notes on my own. I had made some notes on my own because there was some parts of the curricula which was confusing me. Like, when do we use a requirement traceability metric? What is a requirement document? What is team assignment? What is physical research? So
Mm,
I had made some notes. Those notes were based on my examination results,
mm,
mock exam results,
mm,
as well as when I was going through those chapters, I realized that these are my weak points. So I had made some notes. So on Saturday and Sunday, I just went through those notes. They were around 2-3 pages. It did not take much time,
uh,
right? So that is what I did. That is what I did. But trust me, Sriram, the other thing that really helped me was, I am sure you will remember, since you only said this, that when you are trying to answer a question, there
mm,
are two things that you need to do. You need to do. First, you need to analyze the question and identify what is the key word in the question.
right, right.
That is so. Every question in the examination, every question, I made sure that I read the question 2 to 3 times to
Mm,
figure out the keyword.
mm,
After that, when I was going and answering the question, I did not search for the answer. What I did was, I used the elimination technique to see which are not the correct answers.
uh,
That really helped me in achieving, the uh,
beautiful,
above target above
beautiful,
targets that
beautiful,
you that
beautiful.
you
I think you use the elimination technique very well.
yeah,
Mm,
yeah. So elimination technique. So, if you use the elimination technique, I'll tell you what happened with me is, for 75 to 80% of the questions,
mm,
using the elimination technique only gave me the answers. Yeah,
okay.
there will be some questions, like if you get a question on a contract, cost plus contract question,
Mm,
and you see that the answer has that
mm,
audit the invoices, and
mm,
you see that it's a cost plus fixed fee or cost plus incentive contract, you know that it will be the answer, because those are some things that will come to you from the readings and the learnings that you've
mm,
done. But
mm,
most of the situational questions, I feel that you can answer by using the elimination technique very well.
Pretty good. That's a good feedback, I'll tell you, for many people to help. Right. That's fantastic. Great. So that's the last 1 week. You are so cool, huh? Cleaning the car and going out.
Yeah, yeah. I I was constantly in touch with Rahul. I am telling you, Rahul is another person who has been very helpful,
Yeah.
right from helping me in uh, paying the money to scheduling the exam. I called him a day before the exam, stating that, Rahul, tomorrow is my exam. Do I need to wear my rings? Do I need to wear my this? Do I need to take my glasses? Do I need to wear a jacket? So he was so cool and composed. He answered all the questions in a very cool and composed manner. I have never seen him lose his head. Then there is another person. This guy's name is Sunil Balan. He was also in the same batch. I think he has his exam this Sunday.
Okay.
So he called me the day before the exam. That is on Sunday. He called me and said that, "What are you doing? Are you studying?" I said, "No, I'm cleaning my car." He was shocked. He's saying, "Why, you can do it on Monday also after the exam?" No, no, no. But if I study, so my basic fundamental was that if I put too much pressure on myself on the last 2 days, I might end up forgetting what I learned through the training.
True.
So
True. You need a composed mindset.
yeah, yeah. So
That's
that is why I stopped studying on Saturday and Sunday.
right. Right. I generally recommend the previous day evening, but this is a really extreme going and cleaning the car, making this. Good. Good enough. And
No, no,
yeah,
but the preparation was really good, Shriram, and thanks to you. As I said, the elimination technique that you talked about, right,
I
and all of
appreciate
that.
that. You have put a lot of efforts. I
So
appreciate it. So
yeah,
how did
three
your
hours.
family support her? How was your
Th-
family support?
3 hours it took me to complete the paper.
Ooh, that's good. That's
Mm.
good. Fantastic. Fantastic. Great.
So,
And
so Sriram, in terms of family support, I will have to give it. I will have to thank my wife for this because we have a 2.5-year-old child, as I told you, right?
oh,
And in Hyderabad, it's only me, my wife, and my child who stays. So
oh,
in the morning, if she's when she's cooking, cleaning the house, etc., and I am studying. So at times it became difficult for her also because she had to take care of the child also because I was busy studying, right?
yep. Yep. Not easy. Not easy. Family is a good back. That too for this kind of exam. Definitely, family support is very much needed. Okay. Great. Great. So, was it a proctor exam or center-based exam?
It was a center-based exam.
Okay. So, how was the experience in Hyderabad? How they're handling?
I am telling you, extremely professional those people are, right? So I did not know. I did not know the location of the. matlab, I had the address of the center, but I
Hmm.
have never been to that area too much. I have not been to that area too much. So I decided to take some time in my hand and go. My exam started from 12:30. I reached there at around 11:45. But they are so professional that they did not let me enter the exam center. They
Hmm.
said, please go and wait outside. So then I I waited outside. So
Okay.
at 12:15 they let me enter. So the thing is, Sriram, they did not, the only thing that they checked was my PAN card. That is it.
Hmm.
They did the physical check and all. Pull up your collar. Let us see.
Fold
Show
your
your,
hand sleeve.
fold your hand. Pat your legs.
Yeah.
Show us your mask and all of that they did. But
Yeah.
that's about it.
Yeah. 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 And they have the record. They already have your details.
Mm.
And pretty interesting. Good. So let's get to the exam. So did you felt any bounces in the beginning questions, or was it easy?
So the first set of 89 questions,
Ah,
right there, I had marked 3 questions for review because
ah,
because even after using all that elimination technique, etc., I was still confused primarily between two options out of the four options that were given. So
mm,
I marked those questions for review, and after I finished the 89 questions, I think it was two or three questions that I had marked for review for the first 89. I
mm,
went back and then with a cool head I answered those questions.
mm.
Trust me, I don't know whether I answered them correctly or not. That I don't know, but I attempted them. Okay. Then
Uh,
for the second half of the exam, again I think I marked two or three questions, not more than that. But I found the second half was relatively more easier than the first half. That is what I found.
Maybe your brain is used with the pattern of question in the first 89. You are comfortable there. Yeah, it can be possible. So how did you took the break? Was it useful?
I just went, drank a. I am so sorry, Shriram. 1 second.
Yeah, yeah,
I,
yeah.
I just went, drank a glass of water, and came back. There was nothing to do during the break, man. I had not taken any food with me that I could eat, and there was no one to talk to. So I thought that better finish off the exam,
Go home early.
go home early.
That's pretty good. So I felt it interesting that for review we have taken three questions in the beginning. Again, another three questions. Only very limited questions you took for review.
Yeah, yeah. No, Sriram, I am telling you, the Prepcast 6 and 7, if you remember, you had told me specifically that, Saif, when you go for the exam, analyze Prepcast 6 and 7 very well. It will help you in the exam. Do you remember you told me that? So, that helped. And along with that, what also helped was the PMI sample question
Yep.
paper that I solved
Yep.
and the thousands of questions that you have in your OneDrive. You know, you can well imagine from Monday till Friday, I was only answering questions,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So that really helped me. It
Correct.
gave me a sense of the type of questions that might come.
Yeah, that's what needed. See, after some time, we would have understood the concepts,
Yeah.
but how to see that concept as a question is a challenge. So that is the
But
reason you have to practice.
another thing that I had found out both in the exam, also in the prepcast and the question that you have is, if you read the question properly for 2 or 3 times, you will be, even without looking at the answers, you will be able to form the answer in your mind that
Wow,
this is.
wow.
Yeah.
That's a high maturity level. Right, right, great.
But I got agile questions. I got around 4 or 5 agile questions.
Four, five, I think it's manageable, I believe. You can do that. Okay, okay. Which area you found a little tougher for you in knowledge areas?
I found out a lot of hidden concepts
Mm.
in schedule management.
Oh, okay. Okay, I know it's a big chapter. It's a quite big chapter. Okay, good, fantastic. So, how much of minutes you had when you complete 200 questions?
Left how many? So, do you want to say that after I completed reviewing those questions also, before
Eh,
I just, huh?
Yeah, total 200 questions. How much of time it took for you?
I was left with 57 minutes when I completed the test.
Nearly 1 hour you had spare.
Yeah.
Man, that's good speed, I believe. 3 hours you done and got above target all. Oh my God. Look at the speed you maintained. That's really, really impressive.
No, no,
Really.
so that was Sriram, that I had expected that I will not take more than 3.5 hours, because a
Mm.
lot of people who had also taken the PMP exam, and also I think I talked to Rahul also, and a lot of other people, they were saying that, the speed at which you answer the prepcast, the level of questions will be same as the prepcast question, not much difficult than those. And so for the prepcast also, I used to take 2 hours 45 minutes to 3 hours to complete those prepcasts also.
Actually, prepcasts are bigger questions. If
Yeah.
there you take 3 hours, PMI exams are smaller questions. It will be
Mm.
1.5 lines. So better time will definitely improve. That's
No,
interesting.
no, but in my test there were 4 5 line questions also. Not much, but there were a couple of 4 5 lines
You are there.
questions
You
also.
are there. Okay. Okay. That's impressive. Great. Super, Saif. That's really interesting hearing to you. And when you got the results, what was your expression there in the exam center?
More than anything else, I was relieved. Yeah. Oh, all the hard work that I have put in have borne fruit.
Is that free? Here are no disturbance, guys. Leave me.
No, 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 Sridham. And you know what? I am now, after the 21st, when I cleared the exam and I came back home, from
Mm.
22nd to today's 24th, I don't know what I have to do with the. I have so much free time. I don't know what I want to do.
This is a common ask I get from people. So every day I wake up by 4:35 to read. Now today also I got up by 5 o'clock, but I don't know what to do.
No, 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 Sriram, I don't get up by 5 o'clock. I will not lie, because my office, I log off at around 11:30, 12 in the night. So by the time I go to sleep, it is 1 o'clock. So I wake up at around 8:39.
But one thing I'll tell, this time newly what you got, it's a time which you innovated, which you found yourself. Don't give this time to Amazon Prime or Netflix. Please read some other topic or subject of your interest. Could be travel, read about it, or go for a travel, spend time with the family, read and implement what you learned. Completing certificate alone will not make you a great
No,
person.
no, that
You
is
have to
true.
start implementing. If it is, let's say, schedule management, how to use the schedule management ingredients in my current work? How can I streamline it? So this, if we do, it starts materializing. That's what I keep talking. Fantastic,
But
great.
another thing, last thing, Sriram, I got a lot of questions around change management also. I forgot to tell you.
Uh,
Change management, I got a lot of questions.
yeah, that is the area they drill. At least 20 questions will come.
I think there were 15 to 20 questions that
20,
came on
that's the
change.
average they usually give.
Yeah.
I think people nowadays people are answering well with the change management. I don't see people struggling. They got to the concept very well. Super, great. Thanks a lot for coming up here and giving this valuable input. One thing I like with you is a casual way. You didn't put pressure on yourself. You feel casual. It's okay, guys. I'm good and ready.
No, the pressure was there when I was trying. I had the timeline pressure that 1 week before the exam, I have to complete all the knowledge areas.
Yeah, that pressure is. But you, I
Yeah.
think you did a well, good job. Every day, if you're reading one knowledge area, means good speed you have.
Yeah. Every day, one knowledge. So I used to wake up at around 9:30, 10, as I told you, and I used to start reading. I used to read till 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Oh,
So one reading used to be completed by then. Then when I used to get to work, in case any day in between meetings, if I get half an hour, I will put in that. If I don't get time, then I did not used to stress, like, after my office is done, sit and study for half an hour. I did not used to do that.
whenever you get, you read.
Yeah.
Cool. I like the model word you followed. It's a cool model, man. If it is there, I'll do. If not, no, it's okay. Why you guys train?
No, because I had kept that 1 week buffer. Na? I thought that 1 week ke jaga, if even I am able to give test for 3 days, then also I will get 4 more days too.
Correct.
And also that Saturday, Sunday that I did nothing and washed my car, that could have also been utilized if required.
Good. I feel like you made a good project management planning. Cool. Thanks a lot, Zai, for coming up here and keep winning more. As I see, your role is a really interesting role in corporate life. Start implementing and would like to see you more in leadership paths.
Thank you, Shreyas.
Great. Good wishes again from Shriyani. Have a great time. Thank you.
You too. Bye.
Bye.